Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, easy fix Windows 10 error code fixed. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type bootrec /fix mbr. Type bcd edit /export /c:\/ bcd backup. Type attrib /c:\/ boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren /c:\/ boot /bcd bcd.old. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Type A. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.